How China beat sanctions and became tech self-reliant. Welcome to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating story about how China pulled off a remarkable feat in the world of tech despite facing sanctions. It's like a high-stakes game of innovation, and it all centers around a critical piece of tech called lithography machines. So, here's the deal. China and the United States have been locked in a fierce rivalry in the global tech arena. One of the biggest showdowns happened in the world of semiconductor manufacturing, where these lithography machines are essential. Initially, the United States tried to keep this tech away from China, but what happened next is nothing short of incredible. Let's rewind a bit. Not too long ago, a Dutch semiconductor giant called ASMl imposed sanctions on China, trying to limit their access to advanced lithography technology. But hold on to your seats. There's a twist in the story. The Netherlands, where ASMl is based, decided to issue export licenses that allowed ASMl to keep sending these high-end lithography systems to China. These licenses are good until the end of this year, which gave ASMl some breathing room to honor its commitments to Chinese customers. But here's where it gets interesting. Starting from January 1, 2024, ASMl might not get those export licenses to send these systems to China's domestic market. It's a move that's shaking things up in the tech world. Now, China's response to this challenge is pretty impressive. Instead of backing down, they've been charging forward towards self-sufficiency in lithography technology. This shift in power dynamics has us scratching our heads about the effectiveness of sanctions in slowing down China's tech progress. China didn't just survive, they thrived. How did they do it? Well, they made some big investments in their own semiconductor industry, nurturing talent and encouraging innovation. The Chinese government played a crucial role by providing financial support and creating an environment where tech could flourish. But that's not all. China didn't just go solo on this journey. They collaborated with other countries to access advanced semiconductor technologies and expertise. It's like they took the best parts of the global tech playbook and made it work for them. China's achievement in becoming self-sufficient is truly remarkable. ASML's rush to secure those export licenses highlights just how essential the Chinese market has become for tech companies worldwide. This tech showdown between the US and China carries wider implications, with the US trying to maintain its tech dominance and China fiercely pursuing self-sufficiency. China's response has been diplomatic, emphasizing the importance of following contracts and international rules. They're all about fair and transparent trade practices and have kept the lines of communication open with other countries. Now, here's the twist in the tale. Sanctions didn't slow down China's tech race. They actually fueled it. China's unwavering determination to become self-sufficient, coupled with a strong focus on research and development, pushed them ahead. They invested heavily in educating and training their workforce, creating a pool of skilled professionals who drive innovation. Instead of relying on foreign expertise and equipment, China invested in research and development, leading to breakthroughs in crucial technologies. They learned from international partners while boosting their own capabilities. The sheer size of the Chinese market made it irresistible to tech companies worldwide. ASML's quest for those licenses, despite export control regulations, shows that they're not willing to let go of this golden opportunity. In conclusion, China's journey to self-sufficiency in lithography technology is a testament to their determination and resilience. Sanctions didn't hold them back. They pushed China forward. As the US-China tech rivalry continues, China's self-sufficiency in lithography tech is a symbol of their determination to compete on a global scale. So, there you have it, the thrilling story of how China outsmarted sanctions and became a force to be reckoned with in the world of tech. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tales, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.